Right now, we're going to turn things over to ABC 17's Chanel Porter, who has details on why some mid-Missouri hospitals are stressing the importance of being transparent with the vaccination status of patients.
And Chanel, health experts hope this data will give some people that push they need to get vaccinated.
Deb and Lucas, although information is out there at the national level to show just how effective the vaccine is, local leaders say it's important to show that that trend is consistent right here in mid-Missouri.
One of the things that we have seen that we have been really worried about is the impact of misinformation about the COVID vaccine.
Laura Hazeman at MU Healthcare says that 10 out of the 46 COVID-19 patients are fully vaccinated. 2 out of the 23 ICU patients and 2 out of the 15 patients on ventilators.
Patients who are vaccinated are not only much less likely to be hospitalized with it, but they are much less likely to have severe illness.
Hazeman says they hope other hospitals join the trend with showing transparency on these numbers. But Dr. Robin Blunt with Boone Health says there's no plans in place.
That data is available nationwide. I personally don't think that we have to necessarily say, look, see, here's what's happened at Boone.
Spokesman for the Missouri Hospital Association, Dave Dillon, says the information may help communities raise vaccine rates.
It really does display in a very meaningful and very localized way the numbers that we're seeing of the vaccinations' overall effectiveness.
Dillon says hospitals have no obligation to release the data. Plus, with the numbers constantly changing and some local hospitals having very small numbers, some hospitals may be on the fence in order to avoid HIPAA violations.
Although it probably does not apply if there are more than one or two. The one thing with HIPAA that's important to understand is that you can't release patient identifiable information, and generally speaking, this wouldn't be.
Lisa Cox with the State Health Department said moving forward, they also have plans to show who is vaccinated and who is not when it comes to state cases and deaths. Reporting live in Columbia, Chanel Porter, ABC 17 News.
Okay, Chanel, thank you.